Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. English TV channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
I'm Emily.
Oh, hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be here with you today. I am feeling very energized.
Energized. That is a great word, Paul. I am happy to hear that. I am feeling very happy too. I have my big mug of coffee right here. It is warm, it is dark, and it smells like, well, it smells like a good day.
Yes, coffee is like magic for the brain, right? I have my tea today, green tea. It is very calm. But Emily, I was thinking about our listeners this morning.
Oh, what were you thinking, Paul?
Well, I was thinking about how hard it is to speak English when you first wake up. You know that feeling. You open your eyes, you see the sun, and your brain is like a cloud, a big, gray, sleepy cloud.
Oh, I know that feeling very well. I call it the morning fog. My brain is sleeping, my English is sleeping, and I can't even remember the word for spoon.
Exactly. And that is what we are talking about today. We want to help everyone change their morning. We want to help you start your day with confidence. We have some very special tips today about morning routines.
Yes, it is a wonderful topic. But wait, Paul, we have something to ask our friends first.
Oh, you were right. Friends, if you like our conversations, please click that like button right now. It is a small thing, but it helps us so much.
It really does. And please subscribe to the Mr. English channel. We want you to be part of our family. And if you have a friend who is learning English, share this with them. Learning is better with friends.
Yes, exactly. Okay, Emily, let's talk about this morning fog. How do we stop it? How do we wake up our English brain?
Well, Paul, I think we need to start very, very small. You don't need to read a big book at 6 a.m. No, that is too hard. I have a secret. I use labels.
Labels? You mean like stickers?
Yes, small pieces of paper with words on them. I put them everywhere in my kitchen.
Everywhere? On the fridge? On the microwave?
Yes, on the fridge it says refrigerator. On the cupboard it says cupboard. Even on the sink.
That is very funny. But wait, Emily, I have a story about this. I tried your idea yesterday, but I had a little problem.
Oh, what happened, Paul? Did you label the cat?
No, not the cat. Well, I was very, very sleepy. I was walking around with my stickers. I put a label on my big mirror in the hallway.
And what did you write on it?
I wrote, window.
Window on a mirror?
Yes, and because I was so tired, I stood in front of the mirror for 5 minutes. I was waiting for the sun to come up. I was looking at myself in my blue pajamas, thinking, wow, that neighbor looks exactly like me, and he is very sleepy too.
Oh, Paul, you were looking at your reflection. You thought you were looking out the window.
I did. I even waved at myself. I said, good morning, neighbor, and then I realized, wait, that is just me. My brain was definitely in the fog.
That is hilarious. But see, even then you were using the word window. You were thinking in English. That is the first step.
You were right. Even if I felt a bit silly, I was practicing.
Exactly. And I have another trick, Paul. I call it habit stacking.
Habit stacking. That sounds professional. What does it mean?
It is very simple. You take something you already do, like making coffee, and you stack or add a little English to it.
Oh, so while the coffee is dripping, I do English?
Yes. While I wait for my coffee, I touch 3 things. For example, I touch the mug, I touch the spoon, and I touch the milk. And I say the words out loud. Mug, spoon, milk.
I like that. It is fast. It doesn't take extra time.
No extra time at all, and it builds your muscle memory. Your mouth gets used to the sounds.
That is a great idea. My routine is a little different. I like to talk to myself.
To yourself? In the mirror?
Yes. I stand in front of the mirror, the one that is not a window. While I brush my teeth, I look at myself and I say rhythmic affirmations.
Rhythmic affirmations. Wow, Paul, those are big words. Can you explain?
Sorry. An affirmation is just a positive sentence, something that makes you feel good. And rhythmic means it has a beat, like a song.
Oh, like a song. Can you give us an example?
Sure, I say something like, "Today is good. My English is clear. I have no fear."
Today is good. My English is clear. I have no fear. Oh, I love that. It sounds like a poem.
It is. And I say it 3 times. It warms up my voice. But Emily, I had another moment this morning.
Another one? Paul, you are full of surprises today.
Well, I was practicing my affirmations. I am confident. I am strong. I was very loud. And my neighbor, Mrs. Gable, was walking her dog past my bathroom window.
Oh no, did she hear you?
Yes. She stopped and looked up. She shouted, "That's the spirit, Paul. You tell them." I was so embarrassed. I just hid behind the shower curtain.
Oh, Paul, at least you have a fan now. Mrs. Gable thinks you are very motivated.
She does. She probably thinks I am preparing for a big speech, but I was just brushing my teeth.
But that is the point. You were vocalizing. You were making the sounds of English. That is how you transform your mindset. You stop being a quiet learner and you become a loud speaker.
Loud speaker. I like that. It's better than being a quiet hider behind a curtain.
Definitely. And Paul, we are in the year 2026 now. We have so much technology to help us.
Oh, you're right. My house is very smart now.
Mine too. My smart speaker wakes me up, but I changed the settings.
Let me guess. It speaks English?
Yes. Instead of a loud beep, 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 it says, "Good morning, Emily. Here is the news in English."
Wow, that is a great way to start. You are listening to English before you even get out of bed.
Yes. I listen for maybe 3 minutes, just 3 minutes. I don't try to understand everything. I just listen to the rhythm, the sounds.
That is a very good point. Sometimes learners try too hard. They want to understand 100%. But 3 minutes of active listening is better than 1 hour of just having it in the background while you sleep.
I agree. You have to focus even for a short time.
If you are still listening right now, friends, we have a little challenge for you. Comment sunshine in the comments below.
Oh, I like that. Sunshine. It is such a happy word. It makes me think of a bright morning.
Yes. Okay, so we have labels, we have habit stacking, we have mirror talk, and we have smart speakers. What else, Emily?
Well, there is one more thing I do before I leave my house. I call it the 60-second social launch.
Social launch? Like a rocket?
A little bit. Before I go to work, I send a short voice note to my friend who is also learning English.
Oh, a voice note. That is brave.
It is, but it's only 15 seconds. I just say, "Hi, I'm drinking coffee. I'm ready for the day. Have a good Tuesday."
That is wonderful. It's like a win. You already spoke English to a real person before your day even started.
Exactly. It gives me so much social momentum. But Paul, I made a tiny mistake this morning with my voice note. I was walking to the door. I was holding my coffee and my phone. I clicked send very fast.
And who did you send it to?
I sent it to my boss, Mr. Henderson.
Oh no, Mr. Henderson, the serious boss?
Yes, and the voice note said, "Good morning, sunshine. I have my favorite mug and I'm feeling sparkly."
Sparkly? Oh, Emily, what did he say?
He sent a text back 2 minutes later. He said, "I am glad you are sparkly, Emily. Please bring that sparkle to the 9 a.m. meeting."
Well, at least he was nice about it.
He was, but my face was so red, I was very, very embarrassed. But you know what? It made me laugh, and laughing is a great way to start the day.
It really is. It takes away the stress of learning a language. Mistakes are just funny stories for later.
Exactly, like your mirror window story.
Yes, I will never forget my neighbor in the blue pajamas.
See, these rituals make English part of your real life. It is not just a subject in a school, it is your life.
That is so true. It's about building a winning mindset. You are telling your brain, I am an English speaker.
Yes, you are not a student who only studies on Saturdays. You are a speaker who uses it every morning.
I think the morning is the best time for this. My brain feels fresh.
It is. Scientists say that in the first 15 or 20 minutes after we wake up, our brain is very soft, like clay.
Oh, like clay. You can shape it.
Yes, it's easier to learn and remember things. If you put English into your brain during that time, it sticks better.
That makes so much sense. If I wait until 9 p.m., I'm tired. My brain is like a hard rock. Nothing sticks to a rock.
Exactly. My brain is very tired at night. I just want to watch movies and eat snacks.
Me too. So the morning is the peak window. It's the best time.
It really is. And it doesn't have to be a lesson, it just has to be a ritual.
A ritual. I like that word. It feels special, like a ceremony.
It is. It's a ceremony for your future self.
Wow, Emily, that is very deep. A ceremony for your future self. I'm going to write that down.
Make sure you don't write it on the mirror.
No, I have my notebook right here. A ceremony for my future self. Done.
Well, Paul, we have talked about so many things today. I feel like I'm ready to start my morning all over again.
Me too. I might go and label my toaster.
Good idea. Just don't wait for it to show you the news.
I promise. Well, we should probably tell our friends the main steps again, just to be sure.
Good idea. Let's do a quick recap of our morning routine.
Okay. Step 1. Use labels. Put words on things you touch every day.
Step 2. Habit stacking. Use your coffee time or breakfast time to say 3 words out loud.
Step 3. Rhythmic affirmations. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Be loud, be proud, and maybe check if the neighbors are watching.
Step 4. Use technology. Set your smart speaker or phone to English news for 3 minutes.
And step 5. The social launch. Send a quick voice note or text in English to a friend, or your boss if you're feeling sparkly.
Yes, it only takes 10 minutes, but it changes your whole day.
It really does. I feel much more confident when I start like this.
Me too. It's about being consistent, doing it every day.
Every day. Even on Saturdays?
Especially on Saturdays. You have more time to talk to your pancakes.
Hello, pancakes. You are round, you are brown, you are going in my stomach.
Perfect English, Paul. You're ready for the pancake breakfast.
Thank you. Well, Emily, I think our time is almost finished.
It goes so fast. I really enjoyed our chat today.
Me too. I feel very motivated.
I'm glad. And to all our listeners, thank you for being with us. We hope you feel excited to start your new morning routine tomorrow.
Yes, just try one thing, just one. Maybe the labels or maybe the voice note.
And let us know how it goes. We love reading your stories about your mornings.
We really do. Okay, everyone, and click the like button if you had fun with us today.
And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us what is the first English word you want to say tomorrow morning.
Is it coffee? Is it hello? Is it sparkly? Tell us in the comments.
We're excited to read your answers.
Thank you again, everyone. You are all doing a great job.
Yes, you are. Keep going, stay brave, and have a wonderful English-filled morning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.